turn the back. I like the back of the t-shirt.
Me too.
You like it, baby?
I love it.
What do you mean? Turn around. You ever make my body stiff? I want to see them. And no matter how much girl hype up themselves, she not see them. And anybody forward in my story and I talk about where you see them, I got black on a blood clot. Don't?
Oh.
Party, hardy.
Party, hardy.
Have to be one time together. Ready? Party, hardy.
Party, hardy.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll.
Speed, weed.
Speed, weed.
Birth control.
Birth control.
Life's a bitch.
Life's a bitch.
And then you die.
And then you die.
So fuck the world.
So fuck the world.
And let's get high.
Let's get high. Earboat dash out this, and them earboat defecate at the eyeball, make it come back out through the ears. Them hear all kind of things from dancehall artists, and them run go follow it. I know the dancehall artists, them now wife them. Gaza girl, what do you have to show for it? Me to ask you if you're not shame, but you're not none. Cause the fact that you're a Gaza girl, show me say you're not none. You're just...
So viewer subscribers, Vybz Kartel, the world boss, one done is at it again, and this time is outside at Rio in Ochiria Sentan with a mystery woman. As you all can see here, people, it's a good look, it's a big look, it's a great look. It's the Vybz Kartel outside at Rio in Ochiria Sentan. No joke, talk truth no man. And I know I wonder who the mystery woman there. Duh, oh, me don't know.
Look, we need to have a conversation about Vybz. Fake clothes, fake jewels, all these things. This artwork guy. I think this artwork guy's ripping Kartel off. I'm not gonna lie. I think the boss just doesn't know better. We've got this Cartier. It looks awful. In my opinion, much better ones look similar to him. Boss down. 12,000 euros, you know what I'm saying? I'm sure this guy's ripping man off. You got the fake Man City. What the hell is Polo Club, bro? You got Sidham in this flipping fake Man United kit. Number 100, I don't know what's going on there. Nothing to do, you know what I mean? Fake Jordans. Stitching's looking mad, man. Come on, boss, man. What's going on? Who's letting man buy this?
Laugh, you know. I see everything what people say, both Vybz Kartel negative. I just laugh. No. Come here and say, what is?
Vybz Kartel, this him up.
And I say, yo, I'm hungry like dog. People may make an hear it each other say. I'm out.
Yeah, I know, see, a girl just a tell me about a little bad man, hungry belly boy, we talk about my jewelry fake. I'm there in one of my house then. And I say, yo, well, when people hungry, you know, a blood clotting, you know, it's a hell of a thing when you're hungry and stuff like that.
Kartel, I just beg you 3 lion there, please. Press 3 lion there, or 5, or 4, or 6. Please, me I beg you. Kartel, chance.
If you're not strong, you know, just bad mind and corrupt down.
We've got this Cartier. It looks awful, in my opinion. You can get much better ones, look. Similar to Bust Down. 12,000 euros.
85,000 for my jewelry them, man. I'm even not talk about the Rolex and the ring I'm going to buy when me in a prison. Yeah, I'm even not talk about the vehicle them I'm own and the houses and the land. And a matter of fact, I touch the wood night, just flash we going $4 million. You know go? Yeah, I say make a bad man waste boy like, you know, we like, to know. Some man rich and happy, you see.
Fake Jordans. Stitching's looking mad, man. Like, come on, boss, man. What's going on?
Yeah, man, you make a hungry belly boy like on the dog. See what I say? Yeah, but big up Gaza there, shall I?
As we can see, Vybz Kartel and Gucci Mane met yesterday while on set for his interview with Keisha Kayer. Some revelations from the interview included Kartel's baby mother, Shorty, giving him bun, and a lot of it. Watch to see more.
To the next thing, yes. That's why I told you about the bun and cheese earlier. Well, Jesus!
So well on, baby, I will get the bun and shanty.
Every time.
Keisha Kayer, behave yourself. All right, I'm back. Zip it up.
I tell you, but let's just say that every time I see bun,
you're afraid.
I'm traumatized.
You're traumatized.
PTSD.
But guess what?
Yeah.
Them not give no bun. If that woman left Europe and come to Jamaica, she not give no bun.
Kartel also cleared the air regarding him and Popcorn, and also said that Mavado was his brother.
I want to ask you something, man. If you don't want to answer at school, I know so back in the day, before you got prison, Popcorn underneath you. Your teeth
What
and
that?
everything.
What kind of argument that?
I know argument, it's just a talk.
No, I mean I like the underneath me talk there.
No, underneath.
It's giving.
So, me you know I'm a learn.
Why?
Popcorn. And he must scream real world boss. But your son do a song say Popcorn and Judas.
No, that's it, little Addy.
Little Addy.
But I would say this. Every relationship have up and sideways. Because when I go down.
That
but
is
you know
true.
them way there, so I just saw me and Popcorn from the work. I remember Popcorn and my son, you know.
So, yes.
You know what I mean? But me and him good now.
Okay, good. I want to make sure you're good.
Yeah. We talk on everything, man.
And you and Mavado,
I'm a brother.
Yeah, Mavado good now. Because remember Gaza and Gully and the Ray,
Yeah,
right?
but me and my father will create a big column in dance.
Absolutely.
Through that clashing.
I agree.
And funny enough, we came from the same camp.
Yeah, really?
Which is the Alliance, Bounty Killer. Remember, we come from the same.
Remember, Bounty and Beanie used to war.
Exactly. So Bounty is a warlord. So his son.
The World Boss also spoke on how he initially thought Sedum was FBI and how their relationship began while he was behind bars.
So let's switch gears. Let's talk about Wifey.
Yes.
How did you guys meet?
Well, she actually stalked me while I was in prison.
So then you're not easy. You
Yeah.
tell people are mad.
Yeah. She actually found me through my baby mother's Instagram.
That's crazy.
It's great, right? And then she presented herself so I could make the first move. You know how females do it.
Did you once feel like, what are Gala really up to?
No, because remember, I just saw her and was like, oh wow, she's nice.
Yes.
And she's always commenting under my posts, and I mean, them times I just found Instagram. It was like 2015, so I was pretty new to it.
Right.
Yeah, so, and then when we started talking and she explained how she found me, then I was like, oh, that's
shit.
your blood clot FBI.
So Gala mad.
Yeah, some feds or something, because I'm in prison.
So how
So
long
I'm
it take you
thinking-
to feel like, No.
Vybz Kartel also revealed to Keisha Kayer which artists he would collab with, including Cardi B.
Any collabs with Drake, Cardi, Khaled. I want one of them collabs there because I need it for the American station.
Definitely Drake. And
Drake.
definitely Cardi B. But
Mr. Cardi, she love you, you know.
yeah, man, Cardi, I'm a G, man.
Yeah, man, Cardi,
big
love
up
you.
Cardi, man. I want Bacardi, you know.
A Bardi gang.
Yeah, man, Bardi gang, man. Out, man. Is it? So, babes, you have the money. Anything you want, just buy. I got you. You know the most expensive thing she buy? Was a purse, a Gucci purse for my mother. About 2,600 US. That's the most expensive thing she buy. She's not a fussy girl, you know? Yeah, come remember, everybody want dress like whore, like Una. You know what I mean? Yeah, some people just good with them modest dressing and thing. Yeah, come remember, everybody want dress like whore, like Una.
You already know what I say, where about Snowflake can't compete with Mad Sauce. But apart from Mad Sauce, when it comes on to the females, because I'm telling you already say Barbados is bisexual. But she can't taste Mad Sauce, or she can't replace Mad Sauce in her heart. When it comes on to the woman side, don't disrespect Barbados Snowflake, him fight if you are. Give me the war of him Snowflake. From long time I tell you say him and him brother. Him our fetish. Now, Gaza girls, you know, the group of females who refer to themselves as Gaza girls, and by the way, a Gaza girl is the nicer way of calling yourself a Jezebel. And if you hear no woman call herself Gaza girl, if you in an house right now, oh yeah, wife of no woman call himself Gaza girl, or dog na mess up. Big up yourself, see me. I guess every one of them dig a bush. For years, these females who you think would have shame, but we know they're not shame because why would they be? This is what Barbados said in this social media clip is pale in comparison to things he said about them in his music. But they have low self-esteem and low self-worth. So even when a man talks to them like a literal germs, you know what I mean, not as long as them can have fun. The Gaza girl them for years make much nice. When Barbados touch back the road, he gone all the way a zoom. Go find woman before he take up one of them. Gaza girl, I'm not shame. I mean, it's a rhetorical question because we know someone not shame. I mean, just the fact that you would call yourself a Gaza girl show me say not shame. Because I say Gaza girl is a nice way of calling oneself a Jezebel. As the other artists say, a Gen Z Jezebel. But I wonder if the shame tree really chopped down to the ground. It root out. Years in a run up and down say free Barbados, and then you see him come a road there. Come spitting on the face. Gaza girl, pre this enough to skin out and go up and head up. You're good enough to get called all kind of names. But when it was time for him, as a young kid, him say cough. Smaddy, you see how far him go? Far away from the rest of them. Barbados don't rate him. That's why I'm calling the sheep. You should hear what Barbados talk about him own fans them when him running people them. Even the females. And them, Barbados are this right now, film Snowflake. Because for years, them I hear Barbados talk about skin out this and skin out that, and dress that way and look that way. So them things say that I go hold Barbados. So now them I call out Barbados Snowflake and say, oh, she not dress up on her dress. Sometimes she not some big shirt and them a laugh at things say that at the swing. Them don't know say Barbados actually think they're disgusting. Barbados think his own fans are disgusting. The Gaza girl, Barbados think they're vile. The most they might get is a quickie session from Barbados. That's about it. If he's in the mood that day. If Mad Sus not tired him out already. But the Gaza girl them thinks so them have something on the Snowflake. They must say she plain Jane. Now let's be honest, Barbados is Irish Saxon. Most Jamaicans are them frightened for colour. Anybody who remember them say anything too black no good. So the further you are away from black is the better it is. Barbados Snowflake wouldn't stand out in New York, Miami, Florida, Paris, London, Zurich. See, that's what's confusing The Gaza girl them, cause them as open Barbas go pick she not even all that. Still better than you though, in Barbas' eyes. Cause in Barbas' eyes, you don't have what Barbas care about. You can bleach all you want. Rub on the bleaching cream all you want. You can do all the rhinoplasty you want. You can buy 100 wig. Still won't be the same. Still won't be the same. For years, them tell young Jamaican girls, they told black women that looking a certain way and going a certain way and carrying themselves a certain way in public don't mean nothing, because it's just style and it's just the culture and this is what dancehall is all about. Now we're seeing Barbas himself saying, and everybody want to look like whore.
Yeah, I remember everybody want dress like whore, like Una.
In other words, Una look like whore. Jamaican woman who for years I run back a Barbas for free Barbas, who not shame. When him said, right, him snowflake don't look like no whore, who am I talking about as look like the whore? You! He's talking about you, Jamaican girl. See, for years when the DJ was telling young girls, when he was telling the black woman, say, yo, yes, I think that, yes, this is the look, this is the that. Them justified by, oh, it's just entertainment and also the culture still, man. No, yes, don't listen to the body about no modesty. That's nerd things. The man say right now with us wild and yeah, man, and we are yeah. Then when it come on to actually cuffing a woman, Barbas found somebody that was the polar opposite of what him sing about. Barbas snowflake don't match nothing what him talk about. And that is what confused the Gaza girl them, because them hear about bleaching and run go bleach. Them hear about skin out and go draw them needle light on the concrete from Negril to St. Thomas. Them hear about dash out this and them hear about defecate at the eyeball, make it come back out to the ears. Them hear all kind of things from dancehall artists and them run go follow it. I know the dancehall artists them now wife them. Gaza girl, what do you have to show for it? Me to ask you if you're not shame, but you're not none. Because the fact that you're a Gaza girl show me say you're not none. You're just a tool. As Barbas said, a sheep. Your job is to just turn up, go and...
I'm out.
Shalom. Yes, when Kartel Gaza fans in Russia rascal again. I don't want you run come beside me here, sir. Because he's a rascal, a disgrace to Rasta, you know. Me tell you, say vegetable alone can't do it, you know, sir. Me tell you, say nyam the cow, nyam the egg. Nyam the chicken, no afraid. Vegetable alone make you weak, you know, so what happened to highway? You is a disgrace, man, because you make the Gaza man they run you down and rush you. That's me here, see you swim all in the water. Yeah, bring down Rasta. Rasta is a militant strong warrior, you know, sir. Then the days that Rasta feed pan vegetable alone done, you know, sir. Unless them allergic to meat. Then now me understand. You know, I'm not allergic to meat. Someone know how you manage make the youth them rush you, so brother. And then I come run side of me and you know say me not doing nothing with the Gaza man them already.
I just laugh. What is your phone anyway, you know?
Yeah, come run side of me after me the man them rush you. Not do that again, sir. Because it's a disgrace to Rasta business. Hold up on the head, Rastas. Stay strong. Name the cow, name the hog, name the pig, name the goat. No. A vegetable alone can't do it. You don't hear me and tell you, sir?